If you're experiencing difficulties connecting your payment method on Silencio AI, there's no need to be concerned. You can either watch the provided video for a detailed walkthrough or reach out to us via direct message, and we'll assist you through the process.
Proceed to search app.peaq.xyz. You will be directed here. Then click on Sign In. Sign up with either your email, Google, Twitter, or with a wallet. For me, I will go with email. After signing up, you will be redirected to this page. Proceed and click on Receive, then change to UST coin. Then copy the address, which you will later paste on your Silencio account, and now you will be able to receive your earnings.